I probably should not multiple. And I didn't really know where.
It's been a while since we've gone out to eat.
Yeah, it's been a while. We haven't done much.
I mean, we've been busy doing other
We're being
things.
busy. You guys will find out soon why.
Yeah.
Next video.
The next video, right? We have some news. All right, well, you just saw the news, you saw The Office. We're pregnant! Pregnant! So Marie and I have a child on the way, which is kind of exciting. It's been a journey. We've been trying to build a family for quite a while now, and it finally happened. So if you're in the process of building a family, don't lose hope. It'll happen. And we're really happy that we're gonna become parents. It's kind of daunting, especially in this day and age, right? But we're gonna try to be the best parents possible. We're gonna try to raise a responsible adult. And we haven't told you the sex yet, so we're gonna wait a little while before we announce that. But I hope you guys welcome this child with open arms. What do you say, babe?
Yes, now let's eat chicken. Because I'm starving.
And since we're pregnant, well, winner, chicken dinner, right? Let's go have some chicken. Ah, who's ready for some chicken?
Ahí dice el poquito de la... Get their chicks on round 66.
Baby prepping is hard work, y'all. Especially if you don't know what the heck you're doing. We're looking forward to this classic roadside restaurant that is known for its Midwestern comforting dishes and their lunch buffet. You've got everything from mashed potatoes to biscuits and even a popular thin crust cheese pizza.
See ya, man.
Anything else?
Is there another drumstick?
Yeah, there's another drumstick at the end.
I'm excited about the corn food.
I don't know why we filled up our plate so much if we could have just gone back, but maybe we just have to go that one time.
So what did you get?
Some veggies, mashed potatoes,
Yeah, stuffing.
garlic bread stuffing, mac and cheese, corn fritter, chicken, sausage. I think the only thing that we didn't get was the roasted turkey, but maybe
go
on my
back.
second trip.
The mashed potatoes are good.
Yeah, those are good. I don't think they even need the gravy.
No?
Yeah, like the gravy's just extra. Like slightly garlicky. The gravy's really good. Wow. Chicken looks good.
Wow.
Yeah.
It's like cornmeal.
Oh, it's like a cornmeal breading.
Good?
It's good. It's juicy chicken, like you said. It's not super crunchy, but that's okay because what's important is the chicken, and that's juicy and tender, so that's really good.
You think
Very
that's
flavorful.
cornmeal?
You know what? It does kind of look a little bit like cornmeal. I'm not too sure. I think it's because I need my bifocals. Mashed potatoes, right?
It's not really garlicky.
So like they have the skin on, but it's kind of like it's soft.
Yeah.
But it's really good.
And the mac and cheese.
Yeah, it's like a very home style mac and cheese.
Everything is very home style. It's like your grandma made it.
Yeah.
It was very good.
just had the corn fritter. It's really good. It's not too sweet. It needs that powdered sugar to make it sweet. But it's basically like batter, and they put in sweet corn into the batter, and they fry it up like a little ball. It's kind of like dessert.
Yeah.
It's really good. This would go like well with syrup, honey, stuff like that. It's pretty good. I like it. Wow, that'd be good with honey. That's how you do it.
Seconds.
I grabbed myself a more modest plate this time. I did want to grab a slice of their pizza, but it's gone, so I guess it's a pretty popular item, so you might want to grab it when you come in. Should have done that, but I filled up my plate. But I got some roasted turkey, some stuffing, and another piece of chicken, because the chicken here is real good.
That looks moist.
Yeah, that turkey's really good. Nice and moist and flavorful. It doesn't taste dry. And here's a little dessert for good measure. The key lime pie was especially good. We're really glad we came down here to check out this family-owned restaurant, doing things right since 1946.
Is it good?
It was great. I love these types of places, especially like the decor. It makes me feel kind of like at home. Welcome to another episode of Food Confessionals.
The fried chicken edition.
The fried chicken.
We haven't done this in a while. We're out of practice,
we're
obviously.
super out of practice. We were like super nervous inside there. We were like, how do we do this?
Yeah, exactly.
We were super shy. We didn't want to talk on camera, so that's why we didn't talk a lot. But
this is our first car confessional in the Kimchi Falcon.
In the Kimchi Falcon, yeah.
Yeah.
It's no longer the mobile studio, it's the Kimchi Falcon studio.
Yeah.
So what'd you think?
It was really good. The chicken was super moist. I couldn't figure out if the breading was like cornmeal or what it was, but it was delicious.
It seemed like, I thought it was like cornmeal.
Yeah.
It was really good. It had a slight crunch to it, but it was just so soft and everything was so juicy. Like the chicken especially was super juicy. Yeah.
And the mashed potatoes, everything was really good. It's really homey.
Yeah.
And today's kind of chilly, so it's the perfect meal for today. Except the only problem is that they only have the buffet Monday to Friday from I think 11:30 to 2. So when we work today, we had the day off because we were checking out the baby doing the ultrasound. Yeah. So we took advantage and drove here to Willowbrook.
Yeah, it was about like 30 minutes away from downtown.
Downtown Chicago, yeah.
But it was good. It was really good chicken. Definitely try it out. It's funny because right across the street, there's another chicken place called White Fence.
We've been there too.
Yeah, we've been there. They make really good tenders. That's what we had there. But yeah, definitely come out to this area. Check it out. Like, explore outside of your comfort zone. That's kind of like what we do.
Yep.
And really good check-in, really nice hospitality, and just like this homey vibe, and their food was good.
Anyway guys, I think that's gonna be it for this video. We're gonna drive home, take a nap, because that's what we do when we do this type of videos, and you know, just enjoy the rest of our free day off.
Exactly. And thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.